Some people wait for me. Others felt my presence long ago and will never forget me. Though frozen in time, I react in an instant, unveiling a truth that longs to be spoken. In the village of Avène, I shaped reality into legend. A tale of an ill horse healed at a thermal spring water. When the water's attributes were revealed, all became clear. Then I appeared to mankind as a most obvious necessity, to preserve this unique place and to ensure the virtues of Avène spring water flow abundantly throughout the world. It is said that my actions are not of mere chance, but are exerted to guide mankind and to shape his destiny. When one day, renowned artist Takushimi Sunu came to visit, under his pen I appeared. I inspired him to draw this infinite spiral that you now know so well. My curves outline my destiny, which is to be protected by people and to protect them in return. Through my disclosure, what was once a mystery is now recognized. What was once unclear now has new meaning. Through my being, you open your eyes, and you understand that giving your best requires first embracing yourself and the very essence of who you are. I exist to express to you that it is now time to reveal you to the world. I am revelation. I am you. I am Eau Thermale Avène.